Hi everyone, it's Chris from the Driving Theory Workshop, and today I want to talk to you about what you should do if you fail your practical driving test. Now hopefully that situation doesn't happen, but one of the things that we get asked quite a lot as driving instructors is, do I need to continue my lessons or can I just wait until 2 months down the line and take my practical test again? Now, in my personal experience, I recommend that you continue with your driving lessons as normal. At the end of the day, there is a reason why you have failed your practical driving test, and there's things that need to be worked on. By not working on those things and thinking you're going to be at the same ability level in a couple of months' time is not going to work. What will happen is you'll become rusty and you'll end up failing a second test, which will cost you even more money in the long run. So yes, it's better to stay with your driving instructor. Make sure that you take regular lessons on a regular basis, so weekly if you can afford to do so. Continue with your lessons, get another test booked and go for your second attempt and hopefully pass on that occasion. Now, I hope you found that information useful. If you did, then please give it a like, comment or share. You can join our online theory course by going to www.drivingtheoryworkshop.co.uk, or if you want more hints and tips from our videos, then you can subscribe to our YouTube channel by searching for the Driving Theory Workshop.